What's up, RR Squad? Gang in this thing. Yes. So, RR Squad stands for Real and Random. Real and What super mom do you know can make a bottle while driving? Me. I made a bottle while driving, guys. My skills is getting better and better every day. No, I really am a super mom, though. That's why I got a superwoman tag on my car. Because I make it happen. But what I say, y'all gonna always hear me say, I was built for this. Period. I'm literally running off of no sleep, bro. None. I ain't had no sleep. Look at my eyes, bro. I look so stressed out. So they come with some limes. But then they did like this. Oh, they look so good. And then they come with a sauce that you dip them in it. Ooh. This is my sage lighter. Anyways. Yeah, they look like this. Then they come with the sauce that you dip them in it. Oh my gatos. What is it? I don't even know what I just said. But eat this. I'm about to eat because I'm not about to sit here and play with food. I can't play with food, baby. And put some lime on there. Oh, hold on, y'all can't see. I'm not trying to. What else is in the bag? Oh, this sauce. Regular liquid sauce. Ooh, my baby just farted. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. Dippy. Dip it in that thing, boy. Sometimes I eat like a boy. When stuff is good, boy, I dip it. Oh my God, I hope I don't have the runs. This is so bomb, y'all. I swear to God. So, the hype about it, I'll clean it up. The hype about it was real. And it's worth the money. All right, let me stop. So, the shell is like, it's like I don't know. It's bomb. I want to cuss. It's that good. I want to cuss. But I can't cuss. Well, I can, but I choose not to because my child might watch this. Y'all probably like, how does she eat with that piercing in her mouth? That's like asking me how I wipe my ass with my fingernails. There you go, cuz wait. But anyway, this is bomb, y'all. So let me tell you, the shell is like, it's a fried tortilla. It got chunky beef. Like the beef is like, girl, you in this milk. Sorry. I don't get her milk. He's so beautiful. Yeah. I love you. Yes, I do. So the beef is like brisket. And then it got like some cheese. Like the cheese is like mozzarella. I'm getting down to the nitty-gritty for y'all. The cheese seemed like mozzarella, brisket, a fried tortilla like that's like mildly spicy. And then it got cilantro and onions. And then the salsa. Got my nose up there. The salsa. I mean, it smells so good, y'all. This whole thing just smells so good. But the salsa is like, it's like a little bit spicy, but not really. I mean, it's not nothing that you can't. A really weak person that don't like spicy food will be like, I don't like it. But you gotta be real weak, because it's not that hot, like at all. But it tastes like I'm eating brisket. And y'all know it's good, because I done tore that thing up. I've always wanted to try these, but I never knew where they was. And then I heard a commercial this morning. I was like, But it was all the way in like the M-Dub out here. I didn't feel like driving all the way out there. So I was talking to a friend. And I was like, yeah, I wanted these tacos. And he was like, oh yeah, hit this address. They got it, and they got some good ones. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, how much? For all three of these, that was like $11. And they're big and chunky, and it comes with this sauce. And I mean, they're worth it. It's real worth it. I promise you. Go get them. I put the address in the beginning of the video. So, for my okie dokies. That's where I'm from. Go ahead and go grab you some. Gotta close that up now. Ooh, they good. I can't eat them all on camera, because then y'all gonna be like, oh my god. But they're definitely worth it. I want to try them with the other sauces. But anyways, that's my video. Short and simple. Gang, gang. We out.